Hello, my friends. My name is Sophia. Today, I will tell you a very special story. It is about our final day in Peru. We are looking for a treasure. Is it gold? Is it silver? Let's find out together. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is perfect for beginners and A2 learners. Are you ready? Let's start. We are walking in the high mountains of Peru. The air is very fresh, but it is also very cold. My breath looks like small white clouds in the air. I feel the hard stone under my shoes. These are ancient steps. They are gray and very old. Every step is a story from a long time ago. My son, Leo, is running ahead. He is very happy and full of energy. He turns around and asks, "Are we close to the treasure, Mommy? Is it behind that big rock?" I look at him and smile. I take a deep breath. I say, "Maybe closer than we think, Leo. Just keep walking." First, we pass a small stream. The water is clear and makes a soft sound. Then, we see the giant stone wall. It is taller than Michael. The wall has many beautiful symbols. I see a circle. I see a wave. The wave symbol means water. The circle symbol means time. Everything is quiet and peaceful. We feel very excited to be here together. We stop in front of the wall. It is very quiet. Michael takes a small, mysterious stone from his pocket. This stone is our key. It is smooth and warm. Michael looks at the wall carefully. He sees a small hole in the center of the stone circle. He tries to put our stone into the hole. We wait. 1 second, 2 seconds, but nothing happens. The wall is still closed. Michael tries again. He turns the stone to the left. He turns the stone to the right. Still, nothing happens. Leo looks at the stone and then at me. His face is sad. "Is the key broken, Daddy?" Leo asks. "Is there no treasure?" Michael sighs. He looks tired. We feel a little confused and disappointed. But I look at the sky. The sun is very bright now. It is high in the deep blue sky. I look at the ground and see a long, dark shadow. The shadow points to a different place on the ground. Suddenly, I have a new idea. "Wait," I say quietly. I walk to Michael. I point to the bright beam of sunlight hitting the ground. I say, "Michael, look at the sun. Maybe the wall is not the answer. Put the stone in the light, not on the wall. In the light." Michael looks at me. He understands. He moves his hand slowly. He holds the mysterious stone right in the middle of the golden sunlight. Suddenly, something amazing happens. The stone begins to glow. It is not a small light. It is a bright, golden light. It looks like a small star in Michael's hand. The light reflects from the stone and hits the wall. A secret door does not open with a loud noise. Instead, a beautiful shadow appears on the ancient stones. It is a perfect shape. It is the chacana. It is a star with many points. "Wow!" "Look, Mommy!" Leo shouts. He jumps up and down. It is glowing. It is like magic. The light feels warm on our faces. We all stand together and watch the golden symbol shine on the old gray wall. It is a beautiful moment. Stop! Let's look at a special word I just used. The word is puzzle. I spell it for you. Puzzle. A puzzle is a game or a difficult problem. You need to think a lot to find the correct answer. For example, this map is a difficult puzzle. Do you like puzzles? Also, look at the word symbol. SYMBOL. A symbol is a simple picture that means a big idea. For example, a red heart is a symbol of love. In Peru, the chacana is a very important symbol. It is a symbol of harmony. Harmony means living together in peace with nature and other people. I also use the word glow. Glow. When something glows, it gives off a soft, beautiful light, like a candle in the dark. In our story, the sun makes the stone glow. Learning English is also like a puzzle. Sometimes it is difficult, but when you find the answer, it is beautiful. Let's continue our story now. We walk past the wall and reach the very top of the mountain. Leo runs to the edge. He looks everywhere. He looks under the rocks. He looks behind the bushes. He is looking for gold coins. He is looking for silver boxes. But he stops. He does not see any gold. He only sees the world below us. We see green valleys. We see a white river moving like a snake far away. We see the big, open sky and many other mountains. Michael puts his arm around me. He says, "Leo, this is a peace treasure. The ancient people did not leave gold. They left this place for us to see." I hold Michael's hand and hug Leo tightly. I feel very grateful in my heart. The air smells like grass and earth. The sun feels like a warm blanket. I realize something important. This is the real treasure. Gold is just metal, but beautiful nature and time with my family are the best things in the world. We sit on the grass. We are quiet. We feel very calm. We feel very happy. Now, let's practice together. This is the most important part of learning. I will say a sentence slowly, and you repeat after me. Are you ready? First sentence. The view is amazing. Pause for 5 seconds. Very good. Let's do it again. The view is amazing. Pause for 5 seconds. Next sentence. Traveling teaches us new things. Pause for 5 seconds. Great job. One more sentence. A very important one. Family is the real treasure. Pause for 5 seconds. I can hear you. You are doing a wonderful job. Now, I have a small quiz for you to test your memory. Do you remember our story? What opened the secret puzzle on the wall? Was it A, a heavy metal key, or was it B, the bright sunlight? Think about it. Write your answer A or B in the comments below. I want to see if you listened carefully to our adventure today. We are sitting together now. The sun is going down. The sky is turning orange and purple. It is the end of our trip in Peru. That is my story about the real treasure. It was a simple day, but it was a very happy day for my family. Life is full of puzzles. Some are big and some are small. But there is always something new and beautiful to discover if you look closely. I hope this story makes you feel relaxed and happy today. You are doing a great job learning English. Remember, one small step every day is enough. What about you, my friends? Do you like exploring nature? Or do you prefer staying at home with a good book? Tell me your story in the comments. I love reading every message from you. Thank you for watching and learning with me. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more stories. Goodbye for now. See you in our next adventure. Bye-bye.